Hi, welcome to another edition of Cooking with the Witchard Stovall Public Library. I'm Miss Ann, the Children's Librarian, and this week I'm going to be making quiche. So we start off with our dish. I always use this particular dish. It's about maybe 1.5 inches thick, and I'd say it's probably 9 inches wide. So a pie plate would be really great. And of course I'm going to put Pam on that. We are going to need 6 eggs, usually. Depends on the size of the dish that you're using. Then we're going to put in some onions, chopped. I cooked up some turkey bacon, nice and crisp. If you don't have turkey bacon, you can use regular bacon. You could also put in finely chopped slices of ham. Any kind of breakfasty kind of meat that you want to throw in is perfectly fine. Just chop it up so that it's in small pieces. And for the healthy stuff, I always like to put in spinach. I buy the packages with the that are frozen that come in little balls. So there's about 6 balls in here. And I also threw in a few mushrooms as well. And then, of course, you can't have quiche without cheese. So however much you'd like, I put in usually about a cup worth. And then we're going to add a little bit of milk, about a cup. And then salt and pepper to taste. And that's it. We're going to mix all of that together. I'm going to pour it into my dish, and I will put it into the oven and show you what it looks like when it's completed. So this is it taken out of the oven. It took about 35 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. It's nice and brown around the edges, and the center is done. It's not juicy. It's nice and springy, and that's the way it should be. So not much to it. Give it a try and let us know if you like the crustless quiche.